Hey guys, how's it going? KW back here with another video. We are here at the Wyndham Resort Hotel in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. So this was a fully redone hotel. Okay. So this used to be an older hotel and they redid it. So we'll show you the room and I'll tell you what I think about it. Here's the door. Our fire map. Here's the address if you want to stay here. Wyndham, room rates, locks, and features are there. Here's our closet. Safe. Iron board to iron. Bathroom occupied as usual. Here's a mirror. This is where you walk in the room right here. Right here you got a desk with a lamp, nice desk chair, very good. 43-inch TV LG, coffee, mini fridge. We got a light with a chair. This room is a room with 2 queen beds. Right here, 2 queen beds, comfortable newer mattresses. Got a light with USBs, a clock with USBs. Here's a phone. Here's our view of the parking lot. Here's our LG P-TAC. Right there, where I'm pointing, that's where you control the P-TAC. So, here's a room right here. Now, things to know about this room. When I checked in, the room was a little dirty. The desk had crumbs and the shower was dirty. But the management came up here and they gave me money off my bill for the room. So they did that and they went and cleaned up what needed to be cleaned. So the staff is definitely, I give the staff and service 5 stars here. The rest of the property is nice. They have a heated indoor pool. They got a fitness center. They have no free breakfast. Then I guess they call this place a resort because they have a golf course and a golf cart, which you see right here. They got tons out front. And then they have a bunch of pools and water park-like things outside in their courtyard, and a hot tub outside, which is closed right now. Anyway, so now the next question is, would I recommend this hotel? I don't know if I would pay anything over $100 in during this season right now. We're getting ready to get into November here. Everything's a little too much. And we do have maintenance issues too. Maintenance issues like this. Maintenance issues. I feel like the room should be a lot cleaner for it being a Wyndham property. And I feel like it should have less maintenance issues, like in the hallways, like the ceiling tiles are a little bit stained, but it's minor stuff for maintenance issues. But I feel like there shouldn't be any problems. We're going to be paying $115 in the off season, and outdoor pool's closed. I feel like everything should be pristine, and it is a Wyndham, so if you can go get, I would say it would be worth coming here in the off-season time. If you could get this place for me like $80, I think you would be doing pretty good. But I think you need to improve on your housekeeping for sure. So with that being said, let's take one more pan of the room. And like I said, this is an older building that they went and restored. And if you go look at the back of the building, it's very clear of that. But they did a full rehaul, so would I recommend this? Yeah. If you pay for under $100, which you can get it for on Expedia sometimes, I would recommend it. So I don't think I would pay any more than $100 for this from the off season, like I said. So that being said, we'll see you in the next video. KW out.